Hi, my name is Malaysia Pasalo, and today I'll be sharing my digital marketing mastery journey. For the first course, Mastery, my first goal is to develop leadership skills and techniques from masters in history. Take the first step of mastery. The first step of mastery for me is to complete my digital marketing master's degree. Thirdly, I'd like to understand the techniques from the reading, and how I would do that is by applying the techniques used to my personal and professional life. The next class is Digital Marketing Fundamentals. I'd like to understand the basics of digital marketing, learn the basic strategies used in digital marketing, and utilize skills learned in personal business project. So digital storytelling and branding, I'd like to learn how to create a brand, create my brand for my personal business, and build brand loyalty and create my personal business story, or personal digital story, excuse me. Digital design and usability, learn the basics of internet design, set aside time to practice web design, design personal website for my personal business. There's also consumer behavior and analysis. I'd like to understand how to analyze consumer behavior, understand how metrics plays a role in analytics, and also use metrics from my personal business to analyze market trends. New media marketing. My goal is to learn how digital marketing is changing the marketing industry, figure out what my marketing goals are for my personal business, and understand which strategy will best fit my business's needs. Advanced digital marketing strategies. Build on the fundamentals of digital marketing that we learned in the previous courses. Set aside 1 hour per week to learn advanced strategies. Apply advanced marketing skills towards my personal business. Advanced search engine optimization. Understand search engine optimization in depth. Learn about pay-per-click advertisements and apply search engine optimization strategies to my personal business. Strategic Internet Public Relations. I'd like to understand how to build proactive internet rapport, learn how to build an internet presence on my personal website for my business, and also build internet public relationships for my business. And I do that by possibly hiring a publicist. Digital analytics and optimization. Learn how to read metrics, understand how to make decisions based on analytics and metrics, optimize my personal website's metrics. Digital marketing and the law. Understand the laws revolving around digital marketing, learn how the laws will affect my business decisions, and lastly, make sure that my personal business follows the laws and regulations of the Federal Trade Commission guidelines. And lastly, the last course is going to be digital marketing campaign development. During this course, I'd like to understand how digital marketing can affect different campaigns, how to use metrics and analytics to create a successful campaign, and also how to create a marketing campaign of my own. So some industry leaders that I've chosen are Gary Vaynerchuk, Reed Hastings, Neil Patel, Susan Wojcicki, Lisa Su, and Lindsay Snyder. Some professional clubs and organizations that I'd like to join around the San Francisco Bay Area are San Francisco Women in Tech, San Francisco Small Business Sales Marketing and Networking, and San Francisco Entrepreneurs Network. These are local groups in the city that I currently live in, and they are doing meetups online right now, so it'll be definitely a good experience to touch base with them. My personal learning network. So 3 companies that I thought were pretty successful and inspiring were Netflix, VaynerMedia, and YouTube. For the Full Sail community, I'd like to join the Collegiate Deca Club, Student Community Association, and the Podcast Network. For a mentor, I'd like their qualities to have diverse background, super knowledgeable in SEO and SEM, experience working with small business owners because I personally want to create a brand and start my own business. It'd be great that if they have experience working in tech, because aside from wanting to own a business, I'd like to work in tech and get that experience. I've worked in tech before, and being able to work on a corporate level would definitely be something that I'd be interested in doing. More qualities are I'd like them to be available to personally mentor me. I want them to have time to be able to be on phone calls or Zooms at least once per week. I'd also like them to have some type of experience launching different projects, or maybe even launching like small businesses or business projects through their clients. And then lastly, I would want someone that has experience working in different positions within marketing as far as different sectors, so like in SEM or in email marketing, or their experience level going from entry level to managing positions. So that would be super important for me to have somebody to have the experience working from the beginning to like the highest point in their career. So lastly, I'm going to go over a little bit of what I hope that these courses will do for me. So for mastery, I will sharpen my leadership skills and understand my life's tasks to start my mastery journey. For digital marketing fundamentals, I'd like to build a foundation in digital marketing where I will be able to use the basic skills and build on them. For digital storytelling and branding, I'd like to understand how to captivate people through storytelling and learn how to create my own brand. For digital design and usability, I'd like to learn how to build and design an online presence. For consumer behavior and analysis, I'd like to learn the different market trends and consumer behavior. For the new media marketing, I hope that I would get some insight on new media tools, or which tools or sites would be the biggest impact on my marketing goals. For advanced digital marketing strategies, I hope to understand the different marketing strategies used to make I have trouble saying successful. So successful marketing campaign. I also will actually, moving forward for advanced search engine optimization, I hope to get more depth on search engine optimization strategy and the new trends that are emerging in that strategy. Strategic internet public relations. Through this course, I hope to learn how to initiate proactive public relations through the internet. Hopefully, I won't have to hire a publicist moving forward with my own personal stuff. Digital analytics and optimization. In this course, I hope to learn how metrics can be used to analyze trends in the market relating to problems, outcomes, or success. For digital marketing and the law, I hope that the course will help me understand the revolving laws around digital marketing and how it can affect certain marketing campaigns, and definitely how the laws are, so that I can follow them. And then lastly, for digital marketing campaign development, I hope that I understand what it takes to create a successful marketing campaign. So this is the end of my presentation, and here are my references that I used, and I hope you enjoyed my mastery journey. Thanks again for watching.